It's been a while since I used my joiner because I simply don't have room for it, so I'm making a stand to accommodate both my joiner and planer, and I'm making this in my modular workbench fashion out of 2x4s. My first step is cutting 4 posts at 30 inches because I'm starting with the main body of the cart. I then have to cut 4 width stretchers all at 21 3/4 inches. I then follow up with 4 depth stretchers all cut at 19 inches. Now I'm using pocket screws to assemble this, so I have to add pocket holes to all of the stretchers. Now for assembly, I'm going to create 2 frames made out of the posts and width stretchers. With my 2 frames made, I'm going to attach these together using the depth stretchers, and notice for these how I'm offsetting it by a 2x4. Now I need an offshoot for the joiner, which is going to be shorter, so I'm going to cut out 2 posts at 21 inches. Now the reason it's shorter is so the top of the joiner is at the same height as the tabletop. Next I need 4 width stretchers, all cut at 12.5 inches. And then I follow up with 2 depth stretchers, once again at 19 inches. Once again, I'm using pocket screws to assemble everything. I was actually nervous about this in my previous video, rebuilding my modular workbench using pocket screws, but it actually turned out to be plenty strong. And with that, the frame is complete. And as you can tell, I can fit a cabinet box in the main body, although the smaller one I may have to make something custom. But my next step is adding adjustable feet and flip casters. Now it's time to add the tops. I'm starting with the main body top. For this one, I'm going to cut out 8 pieces at 31 inches. For the other top, I'm going to cut out 6 pieces at 25.5 inches. And then I'm going to shave clean edges on all of the 2x4s just using my table saw. The main purpose here is just to clean up the edges for glue up, but also removing that round over.